We're on the outskirts of Kaneohe, right along Cam Highway. We're at a place called Waiahole Poi Factory. Now, this is a good place to come if you've never had poi and you want to know what it tastes like, because they make it fresh here every day. And so their poi is a good place to start. And if you don't like it here, you're not going to like poi. So if you do like it here, then you know you like poi, and you may have to come out to Kaneohe every time you're on Oahu. Young loves poi. She's never had it here. They also do supposedly really good Hawaiian foods. They make a dessert here called the Sweet Lady of Waiahole, which is named after a song. And that's supposedly like a sweetened poi and Haupia ice cream and other stuff. It's supposed to be really good. That's what I want to try. We might also get something a little savory here, but we're looking forward to trying it. Small road stand, you can't eat here, but there are beach parks all the way along the ocean, so you can eat at any of those places. So as I said, there's no place to sit and eat there, so we got to take our food to a beach park. But I got the Sweet Lady of Waihole, which includes Haupia ice cream. Haupia, for those of you who don't live in the islands, is coconut pudding flavor. So underneath that is Kulolo, which is a thickened, sweetened poi. Now I wanted to go ahead and I wanted to try it before the ice cream melts and before the Kulolo gets cold. So we're sitting on a wall nearby. I'm going to have my Sweet Lady of Waihole, showing her okole. Oh my God, we've got somebody across the way with a muffler problem, but you know, we're going to deal with it. Anyway, let's try it. Oh, that's so good.
Yeah? Looks good.
Delicious. The sweet Haupia, the texture of the poi, and it's really nice. The Kulolo is just a little sour, so it's a little sweet and sour here. Very good. I'm going to let Young put down the camera to try this.
This poi is amazing.
Now I understand they actually make it fresh there every day.
This is totally like ice cream without the sweetness. The texture is just like ice cream. So what I'm gonna do, Steve left a little bit of ice cream. So I'm gonna add ice cream right here. Let's see if the ice cream tastes better. I'm sure it tastes better. Oh my God. But I don't think really we need ice cream. Wow. I might have to one big cup. You know, take it to go. Wow.
So virtually every person who grew up in Hawaii and leaves, they miss something. One of the things most people miss is Laulau, because you can't get Laulau on the mainland. You can only get it here in Hawaii, and it's really hard to make well. They supposedly make it well. I'll tell you the truth, I've never eaten Laulau because as a boy at Luau's, I didn't want to touch any of the meats. I thought Kalua Pig was disgusting, and Laulau usually had butterfish in it, and I don't like fish. But this is a pork laulau, so it's only pork. And I figured this is a good chance for me to try it.
Oh, how
there we go.
pretty.
It's wrapped in a tea leaf, and then inside, the pork is going to be wrapped in a luau leaf, which is essentially a taro leaf. So it's going to have the flavor of taro and pork to it. And you unwrap the tea leaf. I've unwrapped the tea leaf, leaving the taro leaf wrapped pork inside. It's very tender. It falls apart to the fork. And there you go. The taro leaf, the pork. That's pretty good. It's got the flavor of the roast pork. It has the flavor of the luau leaf around it. It's a slightly, very mild taro flavor with it. That's good. And no fish. So that's even better.
You gotta go with the poi.
I don't have poi. Somebody ate all the poi. Who ate all the poi? What happened? We got fresh hand-pounded poi and it's gone. Okay. I could see if you grow up eating this, you're going to crave it when you don't have it anymore. I think it's good. It's not something I'll go out of my way for because I didn't grow up eating it. But it's good.